You know, most people are afraid to show their bunghole on YouTube. I'm not, so I'm gonna show mine right now. There you go, on YouTube. First things first. Sorry about the camera angle. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. You're looking for Steven Spielberg. Go find him on YouTube. So giant staples. Again, these are the 69.89 Bad Hombre Fishtails for Softail 12 to 17. All right, so we got obviously probably a crossover pipe here, head pipe there, y'all. And we got what has gotta be muffler, I believe. Ooh, no, there's a fishtail on there. One, and I can feel that the shield is in that package as well. No. Fishtail tip. So that is just the pipe and the tip goes on. Okay, yeah. So I know they make a dual for softails that's just a straight lob off. So, I mean, I don't know. I'm guessing it's probably the same pipe. You just put a fishtail tip on it. But let's see what the tip's going to look like. I cannot not say just the tip. I just can't, man. I'm trying to be respectful. These companies have been nice enough to help me out, and I just cannot be a scumbag. Cannot not be a scumbag. Ooh. Those are so cool. Just the tip. This I can't see. This is the muffler body, okay. I don't know if these have a removable baffle. Honestly, even if they are, I'll probably leave them in just because, you know, back pressure. This is a heavy box. What do we got in here? Muffler body. A box with no label, probably maybe that's hardware. And a get reach out, son of a. Look at that. New clamps, hardware, bolts, a big ass Allen bolt for something. Instructions, so we'll get into that. Let's get to it. So something I've noticed already. So here's one of the mufflers, okay? So those are the shields that I picked up thinking they're mufflers at first. And I can see a telltale Allen bolt, which is telling me a removable baffle already. Like I said, I'm 99.999% sure that I'm gonna leave them in though, because A, you have to kind of commit now or later when you're putting them on, because the shield almost always covers that Allen bolt, and taking the shield off to just change your mind later is a pain in the butt. Stop being like that. There you go. Crossover pipe with a tiny shield. All right, makes sense. That's gonna go directly in the motor and go straight under. Okay, yeah, go straight under behind cylinder number 2, out the other side, and then bend down, probably via this guy or something, to the other muffler. So these are true duals. And there's no hidden middle chamber, none of that stuff. These are absolutely true dual pipes. Even the ones that are on there right now, the old long shots, there's a hidden chamber connects those pipes, you know, third of the way up the pipe too. But there you go, there's a crossover. Down from there, probably like that, you know, from the one I just showed down to the other side. There's 2 tips, and then we got one last. Is that actually, yeah. So that's the main pipe from cylinder number 1. You know, most people are afraid to show their bunghole on YouTube. I'm not. I think it's fine. I think this is an open society, and we should just go ahead and embrace our individualism and go ahead and show it. So I'm going to show mine right now. There you go, on YouTube. Where's my bunghole? You know, take that in for a while. Maybe there's a sticker in here. I'm stupid. Oh, bracketry. That obviously, duh. It's not going to be slip-ons, and it's not going to be a lot of other exhaust systems. When you're going, you know, one pipe all the way down the entire length of the bike, all the way out to the rear fender, and another pipe from cylinder number 2 doing a 180, then going another pipe down, and it's going to be more fiddly than a typical sort of 2 and a 2 sort of exhaust. If you're running duals on a Softail, it's going to be more of a pain than a regular, you know, pipe. Doesn't matter. It's what I wanted. I wanted these duals. So again, this is the Bad Hombre kit. So it's got these guys. Let's just go ahead and open those. It's got these fishtails, but you can get this basically same exhaust. If someone from Cobra right now is screaming, "No, it's not, you idiot!" If it's not, comment down below the difference. But I'd be pretty sure it's going to be basically the same kit, just with regular tips on the end instead of that. How cool are those, man? They look nice. So the tips aren't logoed. The logos are on the shield that go in the bed. I hope so, because I actually like it when a parts manufacturer puts a cool looking logo on there. That's just me. I know some people aren't into that, but I think it looks cool. So let's get to tearing off the old. Oh, I gotta move so much stuff. The choppers, a boat anchor. Johnny Cash gotta come out.
Sorry, did you say that?
Would you stop, you son of? It's a nice gift, Apple Watch. So I gotta move all this stuff out, and then I can get that guy up on the jack, and we can get to town. No, I have got the flanges on the new pipes. Again, the O2 sensors transferred, and I've got the number 1 pipe just sort of mocked up and hanging off the flange. But the coils got to come out, plug wires have to come off. Looks like the rear peg had to come off on a stock application. I got to mount the brackets and I'll start hanging the pipes. And wife just got home and she has asked for family time. No, really, family time. So I'm gonna go in for the evening and spend time with the fam and maybe take care of the real job work a little bit there. And then we'll crack back at this tomorrow. So tomorrow, I'm gonna look bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, and I'm being bombed, evidently. Son of a bitch, never ends. All right, see you tomorrow. Howdy, y'all. This is the Professional Monkey. Check the description for a link to my channel where you can watch the rest of this whole video as well as other really stupid things that I've done.